My friends, damas, caballeros, amigo nang, tonight indeed is a very special occasion for all of us that have childhood dreams, because we remember playing on soccer field where at the end of the day your knees would be red of blood, your toes, you don't even want to go and take a shower of the pain you will have of the soccer fields we played on. And to watch on TV these soccer fields with grass was always like a dream. And it is something so great that together with KNVB, together with Philips, together with Centro de Barrio Brazil, we can make this dream true tonight for these kids.
Together, we can do good things for the kids then. And it is very important because everyone knows that sports is very important for the education of the kids, the discipline for the kids, their own health care. It's very important. They do very well. You take them off the street so they don't become potential people that go in a bad direction. It's all good. It's all good. And when you do this in Aruba, we thank you very much. But especially when you do it in the Brazil area, in the San Nicolas area, we love you to death. So thank you very much for this project right here in Brazil. Hopefully we see KNVB and Philips back in Aruba. And you should visit this side of the island because this is the most beautiful side of the island. You've been here for 10 years. This is the first time you come on this side. You should come more often.
It's a big honor for me to stand here to represent the KNVB at a project that 10 months ago no one had ever heard of. I was in Rio for a soccer convention. We were holding talks at that moment with Philips Latin America on how we were going to materialize the sponsorship that Philips is giving to the World Coaches Program. That sponsorship goes through Africa, Latin America and the Caribbean. The donation basically was done 10 months ago by Henk de Jong in Rio. And in April, like Leo said, we were here to reinforce the donation. And that's when the president said, okay, let's go for it. Let's find the right place to do that. And for us, for the World Coaches Program, I don't think there will be a better place in Aruba to kick off a program like this, community fields in the barrios. And so I'm really proud that I'm coming on this island for 10 years now, and it has taken me 10 years to get to this side of the island for the development of the football. And I'm really happy that you have chosen this area to do it, and I hope we can do one even a little bit further to the end of the island.
I am sure that the children will use the most what the KNVB and we have donated tonight. Philips is all about innovations that improve people's lives. So the solution that you see here tonight is an eco-friendly solution. And why do we start in Aruba? Because I would like to say this is the first that we do in Latin America. So I could say it is because we are here in Brazil. That would be not the truth. I could say that because Aruba is part of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. That's also not true. It is because of the vision that this island has. The Vision 2020 that was unfolded to me when we were in Rio with now the King and Queen, Willem-Alexander and Maxima. And I remember, Mr. Eeman, vividly you were there. And when we announced the project, you said, hey, listen, we have this vision. And we would like to be part of the vision. And I liked it so much that Joe and I, we said together, we will do this. And here we are. So you see, it's not only you have to take care when you meet you also have to take care when you meet the KNVB and Philips, Prime Minister.